This is the last day of this month. Tomorrow becomes August. I decree and declare, August is the 9th month. Everything you have been carrying, this is the month to give birth to it. Shame and reproach over your life comes to an end now. Everything that has left heaven, but the devil has not allowed it to come to your life, by the power that raised Christ from the dead, I stand as a prophetic midwife and I push it to find manifestation in your life. No one here will have a cause to bury your loved one. As you drive on the road, you are protected. As you fly in the air, you are protected. As you move by sea, you are protected.
Nice one. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.